Hello and welcome to iNurture videos. In this video, we will be discussing about the software life cycle. At the end of this video, you will be able to analyze the waterfall model of software life cycle. The software life cycle is a way to identify the activities that occur during software development. Activities in the life cycle. The logical flow of activity is similar to the waterfall model. This model is suitable for projects with only a small number of experienced developers. The model follows a linear fashion. There are 5 activities which take place in software lifecycle. They are requirements, design, implementation, verification and validation, and finally, operation and maintenance. Requirement specification. Requirement gathering is the first step in the software product development. All possible requirements are collected and documented in a requirement specification document. It gathers specific information from the customer about the environment. Final product should operate and be tested in the client environment. Design. System design is the next step. It is designed based on the requirement specification. It is derived from the first phase. Design specifies the requirements of system and hardware. It also defines the overall architecture of the system. Architectural design. An architectural design performs functional decomposition of the system. It is useful in identifying the services provided by each component. It also defines the interdependencies between components and how the resources are shared between them. The design techniques are adequate to capture the functional requirements of the system. Detailed design. Detailed design focuses on the implementation of architecture that is specified by architectural design phase. It is a process of refinement of basic design of the system. Implementation and testing. After completion of coding, small part or unit of coding is tested one by one to verify whether it functions correctly. During testing phase, errors are identified and informed to the developers. This process is repeated until all the requirements are tested and the software is ready to ship. Integration and testing. Each unit is developed and tested for its functionality. It is the first level of testing. Once the unit is tested individually, then it is integrated as it is described in architectural design. After conducting the acceptance testing software with the customers, the product is finally delivered to them. Validation and verification. In validation and verification, the design is checked throughout the life cycle. It ensures that it satisfies the customer requirements. Validation is characterized as designing the right thing, whereas verification is characterized as designing the thing rightly. Maintenance. The modifications on the new products come under the category of maintenance. Maintenance activity occupies a major place in the life cycle of a product, involving the correction of errors identified after the release and the revision of the system services. Maintenance is done to provide feedback to all the other activities in the life cycle. Let us have a quick overview on what we have learned in this video. The software life cycle is a way to identify the activities that occur during software development. There are 5 activities take place in software life cycle. They are requirements, design, implementation, verification and validation, and finally, operation and maintenance. Now, you are familiar about software lifecycle. Thank you for watching.